beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Grace Lee and welcome. In today's video, what I'm going to be doing is a fall makeup look. This is my first ever fall makeup look, so I hope you guys are pleased with it by the time I'm finished, and I hope you guys learn a thing or two. I'm definitely going to show you guys some of the products that I use. I'm going to guide you guys along the way, and I'm really excited to try this fall look. So before I get into this video, remember to like, comment, click that little gray button down below, the red button, and make it turn gray. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and when I'm finished with the video and you're finished watching it, remember to share. Alright you guys, so I've been talking a little too much. Let's get into this video. So the first thing that I already did is moisturize my face. My face is already moisturized, so what I'm gonna do now is my brows. I'm gonna start off with my brows. So what I use for my brows is this eye pencil. It's a regular eye pencil from, you get it in the drugstore, you can get it anywhere. It's a regular eye pencil. The name of it is Magic Collection. It's from Magic Collection eye pencil. It's regular, but it works really well, lasts long, and it's just the perfect color. I'm using it in the shade P302 Dark Brown. Okay, so let's begin. So for y'all to see. So the first thing I do is I just line the bottom of my brow, and then I fill it in. Okay, we're doing next side. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do now is I'm gonna conceal under my eyebrows. And the color concealer that I use, or the type of concealer that I use, very affordable, is L.A Girl Pro Concealer, and it's in the shade Toffee or Toffee. Toffee, one of those is the shade that I use. So I'm gonna do that now. Sorry y'all, this one is new and I have not opened it yet, so 1 second. So I put some on my forearm in the back here, like that. And I use that to line the bottom of my eyes. Now I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be right back. Guys, so I finished done my eyebrows. What I'm gonna do is take this brush now and blend out my under eyebrow. Okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna put the base for like concealer on top here to start the eyeshadow look.
I'm gonna use the same concealer, Toffee.
I'm gonna blend that out. Guys, so the next thing that I'm gonna do now is put setting powder on my eyelids on top before I do my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be using this palette. Y'all, I'm sorry for the condition of it, but yeah, guys. So what I'm gonna start with first is a warm burgundy brownish color. This color right here. Okay. And I'm gonna put that in my crease area, as you guys can see. Do the next side as well. Yeah, so we know that fall is more like burgundy brown, orangey kind of colors, so that's what I'm gonna try to do today. I'm not sure where I'm going with this look, but I'm working it. I'm gonna go in with this purple here mixed with like a dark brown. Okay, y'all, so I just went in with the dark purple or whatever. Now I'm gonna go in with an orange color, a dark orange on top of the burgundy, a burnt orange color. Again, sorry for the condition of the palette, y'all. The crease right there. I'm gonna blend it in. Okay, y'all, to clean that off, not to make it a little darker and thingy, I'm gonna take brown, okay, and this dark in the corners here, okay. Now I'm gonna take black and I'm gonna drag the black from here into the eyeshadow. Kind of smoke it in. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to crease a little bit with some concealer. Same Toffee concealer. There we go. On top of the concealer that I just put there, I'm gonna put this color. So what I'm gonna do now is take this the same burnt orange the dark color that I had before, and I'm gonna darken my eye now so that it looks more folly. I'm taking some black now here, guys, and just kind of like blending it in from my corner here, like a smoked eye kind of scene. Alright, so now I'm gonna just clean up my eye and start my foundation. Okay, y'all, so what I'm gonna do now is take the same Toffee concealer, right? And I use this concealer first because I want to make sure that my under eyes aren't dark. So what I do with the concealer is I use it to clean up the eyeshadow, and then I just go under my my bag like that. This is the same L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. Now I'm gonna just blend that in, and I'm gonna be right back. So I'm just blending with this brush. I don't have a name for the brush. It's just some makeup brushes that I bought and I use them for whatever suits. My lips are dry, but just now. Yeah, so I blend it like this. Oh my god, look at it needs to be. Time to be blending it. And then the same thing over here. And then I just took this big powder brush and I like blended it further. Guys, so what I'm gonna be using now is my foundation, and it's Absolute New York foundation in the shade CoolExpresso. So it has a big number like this. What I do is I just put that all over my face. I'm trying not to use too much foundation, and I do not put plenty of foundation on my forehead. Now I'm gonna blend in my foundation with my foundation brush, and yeah. Make sure you blend in next to your foundation because you don't want to be looking like two different people. What I like about this foundation is that it gives you full coverage, but it still doesn't look like too much. Depends on the same. Yeah. I may look like a really brown right now, but don't worry, everything will come together. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to conceal on top of my eyebrows because I did not do that before, if you guys remember. And this concealer is L.A Girl concealer again, but this time it's in the shade Chestnut. Alright guys, so the next thing that I'm gonna do is conceal under my eyes, and this time I'm gonna be using the concealer Chestnut. And then on top of the Chestnut I'm gonna use the Toffee concealer that I use to under my eyebrows, just right in the corner here. What's going on right now? Toffee concealer, mix with Chestnut. Chestnut on the also. Okay, y'all, so now I'm gonna just finish under my eye, like my under eye eyeshadow. So under my eye, I'm gonna use the burnt orange, the black into burnt orange. Okay. Okay, y'all, so now what I'm gonna do is contour my face. To contour, I'm using L.A Girl Pro Concealer once again, but this time I'm using in the shade Truffle. Nose, and then I just put like a dapper right there to make my lip kind of like pop. Okay, y'all, so now I'm just gonna set on so I'm gonna contour a little now with some powder, contour powder, and bronze also. I'll put some blush. Alright guys, so I snapped on some lashes, and now I'm gonna do my bottom lashes. Watch what happens with my eyelash glue, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna highlight my face now. And for highlights, y'all, I use this. I think it's L.A Girl bronze or something. Okay, y'all, so to add a little bit of pop to this look, I want to put something in the corner of my eye. Not to use too much of it. Alright, you guys, so this is the end of the video. I have finally completed my first ever fall makeup look. I mean, I know people usually go with like orange and brown when they say like a fall makeup look, but I tried, y'all, but I ended up going more to the burgundy side, and then I still brought back a little pop of orange. But honestly, overall, I am really pleased with the makeup look. I think it came out really good. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think in the comment down below. Also remember to share this video if you enjoyed it, like and subscribe, join the family. I love you guys so much, and I really appreciate if you watch the entire video. Remember, if you want to use some of the products that I use, I did like name some of the products throughout the video. Not all, because I was trying to more focus on the makeup, but I did name some of the products throughout the video, so you can check them out also. Alright, you guys, I love you, my beautiful people, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.